Hi, Claude Palan here, Affiliate Starting Line, and welcome. This video is about the cPanel, in continuation, it's part 7, and in particular the Software Services panel. Now this one's going to be short because there are really only two icons here that I'm going to cover. The others pertain to programming languages which most of us don't write: CGI, Perl, PHP, Ruby, Ruby on Rails, etc. These are software packages that, unless you're a programmer or have some familiarity with the programs, this functionality is really not in your realm of experience, so don't worry about them. First icon we'll take a look at is the new one. It's called Quick Install, and it does exactly what it says. It's a quick install for blog software, chat software, commerce software, CMS software, forum, mailing list, other software, photo gallery software, polling software, and wiki research software. So what does it mean? It means in my particular case, if I'm creating a blog, I've got 5 programs I can pick. I only use WordPress, so I don't worry about anything else. And in this particular case, you can click WordPress, click Continue. It will ask you what the main directory is where you want to put your website. If you want to put it in this, it's going to go into the main directory here in mine. Subdirectory if you want to put it there. If you don't want to put it in a subdirectory, you just want it to appear as a standalone folder, leave this blank. Put in your administration email, where you want the email to be sent when you've created your blog. Put in the title, click Install Now. It'll come back and ask you to do several things. It'll ask you for the name of the title you want to put in for your ID, and you want to ask you for a password, and then you're done. Quick install. So it's exactly what it says. I would come in here. This is in beta right now. So I haven't really used it, and because I use Fantastico. Fantastico is a replication of Quick Install, but it's been around longer. It's been in use quite a bit for quite a bit of time. As you can see, it does exactly the same thing as Quick Install. It offers you options for different types of software packages in different categories. There's content management if you want to do classifieds. Blogs are right here, and I use it for WordPress. But again, you got customer relationship software, you have discussion boards, e-commerce, FAQ software, hosting, billing. So this is all type of functionality you might want to use somewhere along the line in your websites or on your hosting account. And so this offers you the possibility of getting access to this software. I usually use WordPress. I just click it here. I'll click New Installation, and then it'll ask me exactly as we just saw. It'll ask for the main domain where I want it. If I want to put it in a subdirectory, it'll ask me for the administrator username. I usually put the keyword of this website I'm creating. Give it a password. It asks for the admin name. I give it the same keyword name that I gave it an administrator. That way I can distinguish between all the different sites I'm using. I'll type in a different email account that's relevant to that specific website that I'm creating. I'll give the website again the keyword name, the description. I'll click Install, and it's done. So that's what Fantastico can do. Now you find all this down here in the Software Services panel. And it's pretty easy to use. And in this particular case, you really only have 2 options you have to worry about. In some other hosting accounts, Quick Install may not be there. There would be Fantastico, and there could be an icon for WordPress standalone, which is another one-click WordPress install. So that's it, Software Services. Don't worry about Perl or PHP or CGI unless you're a programmer, in which case you can go in and play with those applications. So I hope this has been helpful. This is Claude Palan at Affiliate Starting Line. Stay well, stay with it, and we'll talk to you soon.